Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Thinkorswim. First, let's get you logged in and familiar with the main interface. You'll quickly see how to navigate the platform's key areas. We'll then explore customizing your workspace, making it truly yours for efficient trading. Finally, we'll cover the basic layout of charts and watch lists, essential tools for any investor. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into the core trading functionalities. We'll walk through placing your very first trade using the platform's intuitive order entry system, ensuring you feel confident with every click. Next, you'll learn to leverage the powerful charting tools for in-depth market analysis, helping you spot trends and make informed decisions. Finally, we'll show you how to efficiently manage all your open positions and orders from a single, comprehensive dashboard. Moving beyond the basics, Thinkorswim offers robust advanced features. We'll explore options trading strategies using specialized tools designed to help you understand complex contracts. You'll also learn to access real-time data and news feeds, keeping you informed of market-moving events. Plus, we'll demonstrate how to effectively use the Analyze tab for comprehensive risk assessment and to project potential profit scenarios for your trades. To truly make Thinkorswim your own, customization is key. We'll guide you through personalizing alerts and notifications, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event or price movement. You'll also discover how to connect with the extensive support resources and the vibrant Thinkorswim community for ongoing learning and assistance. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This platform is designed to evolve with your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.